You toss your clothes in the machine, add detergent, press start, and yet, when the cycle ends, something feels off. The whites aren't bright enough, the towels still smell a little musty, and your favorite shirt? It looks older after every wash. What if I told you there's a secret laundry booster, hidden in plain sight, that transforms every wash? It's cheap, it's natural, and it works better than most detergents. Before I reveal this secret, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Because once you learn this, you'll never do laundry the same way again. Why laundry feels disappointing. Modern detergents promise miracles. Extra strength, deep clean, bright whites. But they often leave behind residue that dulls fabrics, irritates skin, and fades colors. Over time, clothes lose life, and you end up buying replacements sooner. The truth? Detergent alone can't do everything. Laundry needs a boost, something to amplify cleaning while protecting fabrics. The secret revealed? Here it is, baking soda. Yes, that same white powder you keep in your kitchen. Add half a cup of baking soda to your laundry, and suddenly your detergent works twice as hard. Clothes come out cleaner, odors vanish, colors look brighter, and whites sparkle again. A simple ingredient with extraordinary power. Why baking soda works? Baking soda is alkaline. It balances water's pH, making the detergent more effective. It neutralizes acids and breaks down grease, sweat, and odors. Unlike harsh chemicals, it's gentle on fabrics. That's why it's been a hidden gem for decades, quietly outperforming many expensive laundry products. The emotional payoff. Now imagine pulling out laundry that smells fresh, truly fresh. No lingering sweat, no stale odor. Whites glow, colors pop, towels feel soft. Suddenly, laundry isn't just a chore, it's a small moment of satisfaction. And the best part? You didn't spend a fortune. You outsmarted the system with a secret hidden in your pantry. Step 1. For regular loads. Add half a cup of baking soda directly into the drum before adding clothes. Then, use detergent as usual. The soda boosts cleaning, softens water, and enhances freshness. Step 2. For whites. Combine baking soda with a splash of white vinegar during the rinse cycle. The fizzing reaction lifts stains and brightens whites naturally, no bleach required. Step 3. For odor control. For gym clothes or towels, soak them in warm water mixed with half a cup of baking soda for 30 minutes before washing. Odors trapped deep in fabric disappear like magic. You know, we love to hear from you, so please leave a comment below and tell us how you plan to use baking soda to boost your laundry. Bonus hack: laundry softener alternative. Fabric softeners coat clothes with chemicals that wear down fibers. Replace them with baking soda in the rinse cycle. Your clothes come out naturally soft. It's safe for skin, safe for fabrics. Mistakes people make. Adding baking soda into the detergent drawer. It clumps. Always add to the drum. Using too much. Half a cup is enough. Expecting results instantly for deeply set stains. It works best with consistency. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll see results that feel almost unbelievable. The bigger lesson. And maybe, this is about more than laundry. In life, too, we chase fancy solutions, new products, bigger promises, when often, the simplest answers are right in front of us. The real magic isn't in spending more. It's in seeing the hidden power of what we already have. So, the next time you do laundry, remember this secret booster: baking soda. Add half a cup and watch your clothes come out fresher, brighter, softer, and cleaner than ever before. No chemicals, no overpriced products, just one hidden ingredient that changes everything. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful, unconventional hacks that save money, protect your home, and make everyday life easier. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community, because sometimes the best kept secrets are the simplest ones.